It was deep in the forest, well past midnight, when the first camera started recording. A visitor hiking through the darkness claimed something massive crossed the trail. Too tall, too fast, to be human. Hours later, hunters in the same forest captured it again, this time clearer. A towering figure moving between the trees. Bigfoot. But then, the moment no one expected. In the middle of the night, a rider on a forest road suddenly collided with something huge. The impact was violent. The rider went down. And here's where it gets terrifying. What they recorded doesn't just show a creature, it shows a presence that may have been watching the forest all along. Stay with me, because what happens next is the reason this footage is still being debated today. One of the most unusual encounters ever reported began with a late-night crash on a remote California highway. A man driving an RV claimed he struck something massive near Willow Creek, an area long associated with Sasquatch legends. At first, the story sounded easy to dismiss. That changed when investigators examined more than one recording. Alongside the vehicle's dash camera, a second video emerged, captured on a phone by the passenger sitting just feet away. The incident unfolded along an empty stretch of Highway 299, close to the Bluff Creek region. The dash footage shows the exact moment a large figure bursts from the tree line and collides directly with the front of the vehicle, jolting it with violent force. Instead of collapsing, the creature appears to regain its balance, rolling toward the shoulder of the road before standing and moving away, seemingly uninjured. While the driver was cited for driving under the influence, officials from the local sheriff's department acknowledged that the footage itself raised questions they couldn't immediately answer. The recordings reveal a tall, upright figure with a heavy build, details that quickly drew the attention of researchers studying unexplained phenomena. Specialists are now reviewing both camera angles, closely examining movement patterns, body proportions, and estimated height to determine what was truly captured that night. In 2017, a woman visiting an American forest raised her camera and recorded something she couldn't explain. Beneath a fallen tree, a large brown figure lay motionless, blending into the ground. She filmed only a few seconds. Then the figure slowly turned its head toward her. She ran. When analysts and scientists later reviewed the footage, they searched for AI, CGI, and digital manipulation. Their conclusion? This video shows no signs of artificial intelligence. What you're about to see is raw, unaltered footage. So the question is simple. Was this just a shadow in the forest, or something watching her the entire time? After a man went missing in a remote forest following a reported encounter with Bigfoot, search teams placed multiple cameras throughout the area. These weren't research cameras, they were looking for answers. Days later, one of those cameras recorded something unexpected. In the middle of the forest, in full daylight, a massive figure appears, estimated at nearly 9 feet tall, completely black, covered in thick, heavy hair. It doesn't move toward the camera. It doesn't flee, it simply stands there, beside the trees. Then it releases a deep, powerful scream. At one moment, the figure appears to notice the camera watching it, but it does nothing. No reaction, no aggression. When scientists later reviewed the footage, they examined motion patterns, lighting consistency, and AI generation markers. Their conclusion was clear. This is not artificial intelligence. This is real footage. So the question isn't what was captured. It's why it allowed itself to be seen. What you're about to see didn't come from a lab, and it didn't come from the internet. It came from deep inside the Russian wilderness, a place where cameras rarely reach and explanations arrive even slower. At first, the hunters thought nothing of it, just a dark figure moving between the trees. Their first reaction was almost casual. It's probably a man in a costume. But then they zoomed in. What the camera captured next changed everything. This creature were pooping too much. The creature was completely covered in long black hair. Not fur, not fabric, hair that moved naturally with its body. Its frame looked disturbingly familiar, almost human, yet wrong. Roughly the size of a large man. Broad shoulders, long arms, about half the proportions people associate with Bigfoot. And then came the detail no one expected. The creature was defecating excessively. Not staged, not controlled, not something anyone would include in a costume or fake encounter. One hunter later said, "That's when I knew this wasn't a man." When scientists and independent analysts reviewed the raw footage, they focused on the movement, the muscle tension beneath the hair, and the biological response itself. Their conclusion was unsettlingly consistent. This was not AI, not CGI, not a digital fabrication. The lighting reacts correctly. The motion follows real anatomy. The behavior shows stress, not performance. Some experts stopped short of naming it. Others whispered something even more disturbing. What if this wasn't a myth, but a living thing caught at its most vulnerable moment? Tonight, we'll break down the footage frame by frame. What's real, what's unexplained, and why this encounter has reignited claims that Bigfoot may not be a legend after all. Watch carefully, because the smallest detail might be the one that changes everything. This footage didn't start with a camera rolling. It started with a sound. Late one night, on the edge of a forest, a local man heard something outside his home. Heavy footsteps pressing into the ground, followed by slow, deep breathing that didn't sound like any animal he knew. At first, he tried to explain it away. Maybe it was a man, maybe a thief, maybe wildlife moving through the trees. But the sounds didn't stop, so he followed them. What he captured next has divided viewers ever since. In the darkness, a massive figure appears, tall, broad, and moving upright. The video is grainy, slightly blurred, filmed on an older night camera that struggled in low light. But one detail cuts through the distortion immediately: the eyes. When the man turns his light toward the figure, its eyes ignite, bright, reflective, unmistakably alive. For a brief second, the face becomes visible, pale, almost white against the blackness of the forest. People who've studied the footage point out something crucial. This isn't AI. There are no digital artifacts. The motion doesn't loop or glitch. The blur matches older camera limitations, not computer generation. Most convincing of all is what happens next. The creature turns its head, not aggressively, but suddenly, as if startled, and then it runs, not like an animal fleeing blindly, but like something that realized it had been seen. Viewers who've analyzed this clip say the fear feels real on both sides of the camera. The man's breathing changes, the camera shakes, and the creature disappears into the trees faster than expected for something that size. The night the forest changed, people are still arguing about what really happened on that lonely dirt road in Ohio, but the trail cam's timestamp, 3:12 a.m., never lied. Two figures slipped into the frame as if they stepped through a doorway no human eye could see. Their eyes glowed sharp and cold. A deer slid past them, moving in a way no normal animal ever should, almost as if something was guiding it. Then, the larger creature leaned forward, slow, steady, powerful. The smaller one pulled the buck with a calm, practiced rhythm, the same controlled precision you see in an old wrestler who already knows exactly how the body in front of him will fall. And that's what made it so unsettling. These weren't frantic animals. They moved with the quiet authority people used to whisper about in the old woodborne frontier stories, beings that walked upright long before settlers ever carved those forests into maps. So, what do you call a pair of creatures that behave less like wildlife and more like a team enforcing rules we were never supposed to learn? Because if this was just their nightly patrol, what happens the moment the camera stops watching them? This footage didn't come from a remote expedition, it came from a casual visit. A group of visitors were walking near the edge of a forest in broad daylight, laughing, talking, filming casually, when one of them stopped cold. A young woman saw it first. Standing just inside the tree line was a figure, completely black, motionless, watching her. Not massive, not towering, roughly 6 to 7 feet tall. Too small to match the Bigfoot people imagine, yet too tall to be a child. When she called the others over, they all turned to look, and the figure was gone. No sound, no movement, no direction of escape. That should have been the end of it. But later, something far more disturbing appeared. The figure wasn't running away, it was approaching the car. You can see it clearly for a moment, the dark shape moving with purpose. The reaction that follows is pure panic, screaming, shaking hands. The group rushes back to the van, terrified of what might still be nearby. People who've studied this video point out something important. This footage predates 2015. There are no AI tools, no deepfake software, no advanced visual effects available to fake something this naturally. The lighting behaves correctly. The shadows move with real depth. The fear feels unscripted. Some viewers believe it could be a child. Others say the proportions are wrong. And a growing number suggest something even more unsettling: a juvenile Bigfoot. Tonight, we'll examine the footage closely. The timing, the movement, the camera angles, and the detail most people miss the first time they watch. Because if this was just imagination, why did it show up on camera? And if it wasn't imagination, what exactly climbed into that car? Watch carefully. It was supposed to be a calm day on the water, just a man in his boat, recording the quiet beauty of a lonely island. Nothing unusual, nothing strange, just trees, waves, and silence. But when he zoomed in, something caught his eye. A dark figure, standing perfectly still at the tree line. At first he thought it was a shadow, or maybe a fallen tree. But then he saw it, a massive shape, towering, broad, almost human. The moment he focused the camera, the figure moved, slowly, stepping back into the forest like it knew it was being watched. He didn't realize what he captured until a month later, when he checked the footage again. And that's when the truth hit him. Did he film Bigfoot, or something even stranger? This footage doesn't begin with screaming. It begins with silence. A lone driver moving down a narrow road late at night. Trees pressed tightly on both sides, their branches swallowing the headlights as if the forest itself were closing in. No houses, no other cars, just darkness stretching forward. Then, something appears on the road. At first, it's hard to process. A large shape crossing slowly from one side to the other, brown in color, massive, upright, too tall to be a deer, too wide to be a man. As the car gets closer, the driver does the only thing his instincts allow. He stops. His hands are shaking when he turns on the camera. You can hear it in his breathing. Later, he would say that in that moment, he genuinely believed this might be the last thing he ever recorded, because now the creature is fully visible. Broad shoulders, long arms, a heavy, powerful frame covered in thick brown hair. People who've studied the footage say the proportions match what witnesses have described for decades. A Bigfoot. The headlights flood the road, and the creature turns its head. For nearly 10 seconds, it doesn't charge, it doesn't run, it doesn't make a sound. It just stares, not aggressively, not curiously, but deliberately, as if weighing a decision. Viewers who've analyzed this moment point out something unsettling. The creature avoids eye contact directly with the driver, scanning the surroundings instead. A behavior consistent with awareness, not panic. Then, without warning, it steps off the road and disappears into the forest on the opposite side, swallowed instantly by the trees. No dramatic chase, no jump scare, just gone. When this video surfaced, reactions exploded. Some people immediately called it fake. Others claimed it was a man in a suit, but many noticed something harder to dismiss. This footage shows no signs of AI generation, no digital distortion, no unnatural lighting. The motion carries real weight. The shadows behave correctly, and the fear on both sides of the camera feels genuine. And that leads to the final question. What if this was real? What if a creature like this has been crossing roads like this for decades, unseen, unnoticed, until one quiet night when a driver stopped instead of speeding past? Because if this encounter was genuine, then the forest didn't just reveal something, it chose not to take it. Watch carefully. The following footage was captured by a group of hikers who say they stumbled upon a scene unlike anything they had ever imagined. At first, the shapes in the distance were impossible to identify, but as the camera adjusted, the figures came into focus, revealing a massive, dark, human-like creature locked in combat with a full-grown brown bear. The darker figure, coated in deep charcoal black hair, stands upright with powerful, thick-set limbs. Witnesses described it as resembling the legendary Bigfoot. Its movements surprisingly controlled, almost strategic. Facing it is a muscular brown bear, its coat a rich mix of amber and copper tones, shifting as it lunges forward with raw strength. The bear is no less formidable, every motion showing the full force of an apex predator. What shocks the onlookers most is not just the fight, but the balance of power. Blow for blow, the two creatures seem evenly matched. The bear relies on brute force and instinct, while the black figure responds with surprising agility and endurance. Those who recorded the encounter say the moment felt unreal. Two giants, one known, one only rumored, battling in an unknown wilderness far from any familiar trails. Whether this footage will ever be fully explained remains uncertain. But one thing is clear. In this rare moment, two powerful beings met as equals, each as strong, each as fierce, and each commanding the raw force of nature itself. In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, construction workers made a discovery that has shocked researchers and mystery hunters around the world. These images capture what appears to be the fossilized remains of an enormous creature, one that locals are calling the Amazon Bigfoot. The body was found partially buried beneath layers of soil and clay during a routine land clearing operation. The creature's surface shows a hardened, stone-like texture, almost as if the entire body was preserved over centuries. Notice the color, a pale gray mixed with earth tones, blending with the surrounding ground. Judging by the worker standing nearby, this creature measures over 8 feet long, with massive arms stretching nearly 4 feet each. The proportions are unlike any known animal in the Amazon. The structure of the hands is especially striking, thick, elongated, and powerful, matching many eyewitness descriptions of legendary forest giants. Is this truly the fossilized body of a Bigfoot, or something even stranger? Experts are now studying the site and will keep you updated as more details emerge.